Hello and welcome to my short video of this VW Caravelle. It's a used 20 plate and it comes in Ravenna Blue. It also comes with a 199 2-litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a 7-speed automatic gearbox. To the front of the Caravelle it comes with LED daytime running lights. It also comes with front assist with emergency braking, which is quite a popular choice on the VW range. It also comes with front parking sensors, front fog lights, and it also has park assist. This Caravelle also comes with 17-inch alloy wheels. The door mirror and handles come in Ravenna Blue. This particular model comes with some chrome styling on both sides of the Caravelle. It also comes with dark tinted glass. To the rear of the Caravelle it has a tailgate. It also has a heated rear window. It also comes with rear wash wipe. It also has park assist on the rear as well. It also has rear parking sensors. It also comes with a nice chrome moulding strip across the bottom of the tailgate. And now to the interior. This Caravelle comes with full leather in Nappa leather. Comes with a single passenger seat. Both front seats come with armrests on the outer and on the inner for more comfort whilst driving on long journeys. All the seats come with grey stitching within the seat, which is a nice option, makes the seats look lovely. This particular model comes with a leather wrapped steering wheel with a flat bottom. It also has multimedia functions, cruise control functions, and this Caravelle has covered 5,686 miles. It also comes with the newer dash, so it has a virtual cockpit. This Caravelle comes with an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system with a system called App Connect. App Connect allows you to use your Android or Apple smartphone through the device. It's also got another facility called MirrorLink. MirrorLink lets you mirror your smartphone onto the device. It also comes with satellite navigation. It also has a reverse camera, which is a nice option when you're trying to park. It also has parking aid, which tells you when you're getting closer to an object whilst parking. This particular model comes with front heated seats, digital climate control. It also comes with air conditioning, and it also comes with the 7-speed automatic gearbox. This particular model also has automatic headlights. This Caravelle comes with electric sliding doors from the remote key. To the rear of the Caravelle it comes with 5 seats and a table. To the rear you have 3 rear seats, which come with ISOFIX on the 2 outer seats. It also comes with 2 centre seats with armrests for more comfort. For the purpose of this video I've set it up in this way because it looks rather nice. It also comes with blinds on both sides of the Caravelle, but for the purpose of this video I'm showing you one side up and one side down. To the rear of the Caravelle I'd like to show you the load space. This Caravelle you can move the seats around in so many different combinations, but for this little bit now I've just moved the seats forward. The passengers still have plenty of room. Just want to show you the load space where you can get some suitcases in and stuff. This also comes with a tonneau cover to keep your valuables safe. As I mentioned earlier, this is the side with the blinds up, and this is the side with the blinds down. If you'd like more load space, you're able to take out the 3 rear seats. You can also take out the 2 centre seats and the table, which I'll show you later. It also comes with a tailgate closing button, which is electric. As you can see, there is still plenty of space for the 5 passengers. To be able to move the rear seats forward, it has a pull strap which you pull forward. You can also turn the rear seats into a bed by pulling this latch forward, just pushing the seat back and it will turn into a bed. If you'd like to take all the seats out, you have 6 covers that you just need to flick up, and you can take out the seats and the table. If you'd like any more information on this vehicle, please follow the links on the advert or phone 0121 260 3000. Thank you for your time.